It's the Texan in Tokyo show. Bing!
So it's 11 something p.m. It's on December 31st, and we're about to go to the temple to watch the gong thing at midnight, or I guess it starts at 11:30, and it's so cold. So let's go check it out. Yay! Temple.
It's not cold.
Yeah, it's not as cold anymore. Yay! So this is a temple we're going to for New Year's. Whew.
I keep burping.
You keep burping? That's pleasant.
I can just gyoza.
Oh, yeah, we shouldn't eat so much gyoza. Also, that's the bell that they're gonna ring 108 times. Yay! Yeah.
We are drinking amazake. It's a sweet Japanese sake.
Like rice.
Yeah, rice.
Japanese
rice
dad says it doesn't have alcohol in it, but I don't know.
He does.
Totally does.
I'm pretty
Oh,
sure.
he wants to take our picture now. Ah! Yeah, but Ryosuke doesn't like it as much, so.
Alright, but yeah, let's see. Let's try it. You're gonna try.
Oh, really? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
I didn't.
Wait, seriously? It tastes really good. Here.
Look, this is the number. I got my number.
Yep, 21. So we all line up
Same
in order.
number as my year,
And then
age. I'm telling you. Finally,
I know.
I can drink.
We can hear you, honey. So you line up. So we just finished at the temple. Yay! And now we're walking back a different way to show that we are different people this year.
I made a wish. My wish was.
Hi guys. They're staring at us because we're weirdos.
Bye bye.
Sorry, YouTube problems. Yeah.
Love you all.
Bye. I hope you guys are having a great new year.
Yeah.
By the time I upload this, it's gonna be way after New Year.
Please give me some otoshidama. I'm broke.
Parents give their kids money on New Year's. That's what he's talking
I'm
about.
so
You
cute.
guys definitely can't see me at this point. But bye.
Bye bye.